Good morning, class 2. We have studied chapter 3, Man versus Computer. Today we are going to revise all the important concepts of the chapter. So we have already studied how important computer is in our lives, right? Sometimes it feels that even man is not as capable as computers. Computers can do so many things without getting tired, and computers work at a speed which no human can match, right? So, still, computer is a dumb box if a man is not giving the instructions. So, when a man gives instructions to the computer works. So, who is more powerful? Man is more powerful because man has the intelligence and man can take decisions, right? Computers work only when they are instructed to do so. Computers do whatever they are told to do. They don't work on their own, right? So, who is better, man or computer? This is a comparison chart between man and a computer. A computer can remember many things and never forgets them. So, if you are working on a computer today, okay, and you save your work, and after 5 years or 10 years you open your computer again, all your work is saved there, okay, and you can use it again. But if I tell you something today and after 10 years I ask you, what did we do on such and such date and such time, okay, 16th May at 12 o'clock, what were we doing? So we don't know, we don't remember. Okay, same way computers can remember and they do not forget, but man can remember but for a very short time. After some time we forget. When computer does not make any mistake, man can make mistakes. A computer does not make mistakes, so we can rely on a computer. If I give a very difficult sum to a computer and the same problem I give to a man, okay, I can expect the man to do some mistake, but the computer will never make a mistake. Now, computer does not get tired, whereas man gets tired sometimes. After some time the man gets tired, okay. So if I am working on a computer and I am, let's say, downloading some videos, I can do that I can leave the computer connected and let the computer work the whole night. But a man gets tired and goes off to sleep. So man gets tired, but computer does not get tired. Even for 4, 5, 6, 8, 10 days a computer can keep working. Only thing is that it should be connected and charged, okay. Computers cannot take decision on its own. A computer cannot decide whether it wants to open this file or not, whether it wants to save this drawing or not, right? Computer cannot take the decision, but a man can take her own decisions. I can decide whether I want to delete this file or I want to keep this file. I want to save with what name, I can decide, okay, but computer cannot decide. Same way, computer does not have feelings, a man has feelings. Computer does not feel sad, computer does not feel happy, computer does not cry. But man is a crybaby. Man can cry, okay, man can feel sad, man can feel happy. So man has feelings. Now computer needs electricity to work. A computer, if it is not connected, it cannot work, okay. It should have a battery or it should have a electricity connection. A man does not need electricity to work. So a man can work without any connection. Now what we studied in this chapter, that computer cannot work without electricity. A computer cannot think and take decisions on its own. A computer can do same task again and again without getting tired, and a computer never makes mistakes by itself. So with this we will close this chapter, and I expect all your doubts and your questions. Thank you so much.